In this video, I want to show how you can get from a big CSV export from a DSpace or an open repository installation and to extract only the first column, the item IDs, with the goal of applying a withdraw or an expunge action using the batch metadata edit feature of DSpace. So the problem is if you have these huge files, if you're gonna bring them into a CSV or spreadsheet editor like Excel or Google, they might crash. So that's why I'm doing this in a simple text editor in Sublime that has a few nice features for this. So the goal is here that I get rid of all of the other metadata in the file and that I only get the ID column, and then in the action column I can put withdraw or expunge later on. So I know that in every line, the second thing that appears on every line is a comma and then the handle prefix of the repository. So the ID will be that I select all of these in the entire file, then go one space back, then select everything on the line before, the shift on what comes before on the line, and then do a copy paste of the resulting results. But let's do it step by step. First we select this, and then we use the feature in the menu. You can find it under Find, and then Find All or Quick Find All. I think the Windows shortcut is Alt F4. I'm not 100% sure, but at least you should be able to find it in the menu. So if I do this, it says here in the bottom, it says 99 selected region, 99 matches. So indeed, you will see that these things are effectively selected. So now I don't have one cursor, but I actually am commanding 99 different cursors in the file. So I'm taking one space back, then I press my Shift button. I also press the Command button on Mac, and then I press the left arrow one time, and now I've selected all of the item IDs in the file. So then I copy them, edit copy or Command C, and then normally here, if I paste them, I will have all of the IDs like this. So now to add an action here, I can do something like select everything here and then say selection split into lines. Where is it? Split into lines. So now I have a cursor on all of the lines. I do comma, and then I do withdraw. I'm not entirely sure whether this needs to be between brackets or not. Probably this action thing also cannot have a space, but that's not the objective of the video. The objective of the video is just to show you how you can search on that pattern of the handle, then do a copy paste operation to end up here. I hope this was useful. Looking forward to your feedback.